Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java pattern problem. So this is the pattern. So this is the pattern we have to dimension. It is a dimension. So we have to do it like we have to print the star pattern in the output. So let us write the code. I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So before writing the code, see how many stars are there. Here one star, after 3 stars, after 5 stars, and again it is decreasing to 3 stars and 1 star. So what is it is saying? It is having spaces. It is having spaces, and it is having odd number stars. That's it. It's having spaces and it's having odd number stars. So the spaces are from top to bottom it's decreasing, and here top to bottom it is increasing. Here top to bottom decreasing, here top to bottom is increasing space. That's it. So we have analyzed the problem statement. So let's write the code. So import java dot little dot star, and first of all I will give the user input scanner as is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. So after that, I will traverse on the row. Row is equal to 1. A row. So when we start row is equal to 1, we have to end with less than or equal to n and row plus plus. So we have started the row. So these are the rows. We have started the rows. So first we will do the first part. The above part we will do. And after that we will do the below part. First part is, so we have written the rows. So after that, we have write the spaces. So first we have to write the spaces. Int I is equal to 0, and I less than or equal to n minus r. Why I'm writing n minus r? Because here having that much of spaces. We have, for example, if we take n is equal to 3. So 3 minus r. What is the it's not r, it's row. So here we are writing row, right? So we have to write row. So n minus row, and after that we have to write I plus plus. N minus row. What is the value of row 1? So 3 minus 1, 2. So we will print 2 spaces and 1 star. And after 1 spaces, 3 stars. So likewise, we will print. So I will open the for loop, and I will and I will and I will write the star. So after that, so we have to write n minus row, and after that I plus plus. We have written the star. And after that, so we have to print the stars. So j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to 2 into r minus 1. So why I'm writing j 2 into r minus 1? Because we want odd numbers. Because we want odd numbers. So for example, we are doing on rows, right? We are doing on rows. So what is the rows? First one, 1. So we have to do it. We have to write a logic that each number should have the odd number. How we can do it? For example, any number multiply with 2 and subtract with 1 will give you the odd number. So that's why I'm writing this 2 into r minus 1. So why I'm writing this formula? We want odd numbers. How we can get odd numbers? Any number multiply with 2 and subtract with 1 will give you the odd number. Will give you the odd number. That's it. So I want the odd numbers. So that's why I'm multiplying with r. So why we are writing R, because we are doing rows. So here not R, here I wrote row. So we are doing our rows. That's why we are taking rows. We are taking that row, multiplying with 2 and subtracting with 1. I will get the odd numbers. So I will just print the star. That's it. That's it. And I will print the next line. How can we write next line? We can write println, or we can write like this /n. We print the next line. So let us check this program. We have written the first half. Let's see. Let's run this program. For example, figure 3. So we have got this 3, 4, 5. So we have written 0. We have written 0, and after that we have given spaces and minus row, and we have printed the stars. And here I have written row. So sorry. Here the spaces, right? I have written the star. That's why it's coming star. So let us run this program again. See, we have written the first half. We have got the first half. Here I wrote star. That's where I did not get the correct output. So first we have given the spaces, right? So 1. So first you will be having 2 spaces after 1 spaces. After that, you will not having any spaces. So we have written the first half the row. So we will start another row from the second thing. So for n row is equal to, I will write R, and row is equal to 0, row R less than or equal to n minus 1. So why I'm writing n minus 1? Why I'm writing n minus 1? Because so after, for example, after we have written the 3, right? The user input is 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. So we have to disclose, like we have exclude this. Like what I'm saying is, you have to remove this in the second part of the code. So after that, you have to get 3, 1, right? So that's why I'm removing the last number. N minus 1 means last portion will be removed. If we remove the last portion, this thing will be eliminated. And these 2 will become. So that's why I'm writing n minus 1. That's it. Simple. We want to eliminate this. That's why I'm writing n minus 1. For example, it is 3. So it will come up to 2. It will not go to the 3. That's it. I hope you understand. Why I'm writing n minus 1? Because we have to exclude this. That's why I'm writing n minus 1. For example, if you consider 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So it will come up to 3, 1. So that's it. 3 stars and 1 star. I hope you understand. So let's see what will happen. So n minus 1. And after that, we have to print the stars. We have to print the space. And k is equal to 0, k less than r, k plus plus. So why I'm writing less than r? Because here we have to decrease, like we have to decrease the spaces. So we have to increase the spaces one by one. So that's why I'm writing less than r. See, for example, k is equal to 0. 0 less than 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 0 0 less than 0. So here the row should be starts with 1. The row should be starts with 1. So here we are starting with the row, right? So here also we have to start with row is equal to 1 only. So now see, so we have started the row with 1, and after that we have to give spaces until r. Dot then we have to write space. So we will print one by one space, 1, 2 spaces, 3 spaces like this. So see here I'm giving 1. So 0 less than 1, right? So 1 space will be given. And after that 2 spaces, 3 spaces like this. So and previously I wrote 0. So if you write 0, the condition will be failed. So that's why you have to write based upon the condition, you have to write the R value. You have to write the R value. Why I'm writing n minus 1? To exclude the last thing. To exclude the last thing. That's why I'm writing the, and I will write another loop. So it should start from j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to 2 into, so 2 into n minus r, n minus r minus 1, and after that j plus plus, j plus plus. So I am writing 2 into n minus r minus 1. This is a big formula, right? So I am writing, so I want the odd number. So I want the odd number, I can write anything. For example, what is the n value? 3. 3 minus r. What is the r value? 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So I want 3. 3 as the output. So 3 as the output, I will write whatever formula I want. Why I have to get 3? Because I have to put 3 stars. So that's why I want 3. First I want 3. And after that, so based upon the your n value, I will get 3 or 5 or 7, the odd numbers, whatever it be. So I want odd number. Whatever formula, it's my wish, I can write anything. So I will print the star now. As this, after this, I will print the next line. So I hope you understand. So what I'm written. So I want the row should and exclude the last number, last value. So 5 minus 1, 4. Or for example, if we take 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So it would iterate up to 1 to 2. Like you have to write, you have to get only 2 steps. 2 steps only, right? This 1 step and 2 steps. That's it. 1 step and 2 step. So I want 2 steps. That's it. That's why I'm eliminating the last thing. What I'm eliminating, this thing I'm eliminating. This thing I'm eliminating. That's it. So n minus 1, I'm starting the, right? We want spaces. So here, how many spaces? Here, how many spaces? The spaces are increasing, right? 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. So that's why I'm starting with 0. K is equal to 0 and k less than r. Why I'm writing k less than r? So the spaces are increasing. For example, if we take k is equal to 0, 0 less than r is satisfied, and I will print 1 space. And after that, the iteration will be, the value will be increased, like the k value will be increased and k value become 1 and 1 less than r. So r is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1. So 1 less than 1, condition fails. Again, the R value will be increased, like incremented, and R value will become 2. Now R value will 2 and 2, 0 less than 2. So 1 space will come, 1 less than 2. And 0 less than 2, 1 space will come, and k value will be incremented, and k value will become 1, and 1 less than 2. And likewise, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, like this. Simple. And I want the odd number. I have written the logic like 2 into n minus r. For example, if we write n minus r, what will I get? 3 minus r. I will get even number. So 2 into 2 minus 1. I'm getting the odd number. So whatever it would be, I want the odd number. And I have printed. That's it. Simple problem. Let us run this program. So there is no error. For example, 3 give. So we have done the mistake. We have to check. So here not equal to, it's less than. Let us run this program again. So equal to only. We have to write the equal to only. And after that, we have written k is equal to 0 and k less than r, k plus plus. And after that, say into 2 minus r, j plus plus. After that, I have written the code. Five. So we are getting like this. So we are getting the wrong output. So let's find where it is getting wrong. So we have written the for loop and we have included. Okay, so we have included this for loop also in this for loop only. So just take it out this for loop. Just press Ctrl X. So you have to not write in this for loop. You have to write outside the for loop because this thing and this thing is different. So we are writing this thing in one for loop and this thing all in for one for loop. See here. So this for loop is different and this for loop is different. So code is correct, but we have written this for loop in this for loop only. That's why it's coming wrong. So now it's everything is fine. So this for loop is different and this for loop is different. And yeah, now it's fine. Let us write 5. Yes, we got the output. And write the for example, write give 3. So our output is k. So I hope you understand. So this is the first first for loop, and this is the second for loop. So I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.